So what's up, y'all? So look, right, I was sitting here thinking, so I just hired a new secretary, and I want to see how she does answering the phone, right? So I'm trying to think of a scenario where that could actually happen, right? And I'm doing this because I want to show you, number one, the lesson here is to test your people, right? And if you got a phone line to your own company, when was the last time you called it? You know what I mean? Call and check and see how it sounds, all right? So give me a second. I'm gonna call up. I'm gonna put it on speaker and let's see how this go, y'all. So hopefully she's doing well. I literally just hired her. We gonna see how this go.
Ma'am, thank you for calling CBN Cleaning. How may I assist you today?
Yes. Well, can I speak to AJ?
Oh, currently, AJ is on a meeting. However, you can set up an appointment with AJ. If you do have an email address, I can give you the link to set up an appointment. You can choose from 15 minutes one-on-one uh, consultation with him. We
Okay.
also have 30 minutes and an hour as well.
Okay. Well, really, I just wanted to know, do you can you get the starter kit? But I don't want the equipment. I just want the information. Can I do that?
Yes, definitely. You can purchase the cleaning business starter course at $499. So, uh, it,
Okay.
get started with your business information like the LLC, EIN number, business license, and where to order supplies at a wholesale price, and then how to order, create marketing materials,
Okay.
business templates to conduct transactions professionally, how to set up and navigate your online accounting software for bookkeeping for taxes, how to find customers for your business, how to bid on the potential customers.
Okay. Now, do do it come with that app too? The cleaning app?
Oh, the calculated
Yeah. Yeah.
cleaning app. Yeah, yes. Um, Once you purchase the online course, 1 year free access to our bidding calculator, calculated fee is included. Also, the access to the private CleanBiz network group.
Okay. All right.
That
Well,
is it's a closed group which is available on Facebook.
okay. Well, I appreciate you. Then that's really all I need to know. Thank you.
Oh, you're very much welcome. Do you have any further questions?
No, thank. That's it.
Okay. By the way, sir, can I have your name as well for just for my records?
Yeah, it's Calvin.
Calvin.
Yep.
All right. Or do you have an email address as well so we can send you the link in order so that it will be easier for you to purchase the online course?
Oh, I know I do it, but I appreciate you though.
All right.
All
Well,
right.
then just simply visit our website, cleanbiznetwork.com. All right.
All right. Thank
All right. You're very much welcome. Have a good one.
you too. Bye. All right, y'all. I hope my voice ain't sound too funny, right? But I'm surprised she couldn't tell it was me through the call. But anyway, I mean, we gonna keep working on it. That wasn't bad. I was proud of how she did her best to try to um, inform the customer about all the perks they're gonna get and everything with the products. And for the most part, she seemed to know what she was talking about. So I like what I heard, and I wanted to see if I can catch her off guard. But anyway, we gonna keep getting better, y'all. Same way that y'all building y'all business and growing, I'm building my business and growing too. My company is not perfect, y'all. I'm up here telling y'all what I know as I do it. I'm not up here telling you I'm a guru of business and I know everything and all my shit is perfect. It's not. You know what I mean? So, but hopefully this video was able to help you. Make sure you checking behind your people and inspecting and constantly improving, trying to grow. You know what I mean? And that's what I got for y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. Oh, and if you don't forget, please don't forget. If you haven't started your cleaning company already, go to cleanbiznetwork.com. We got cleaning business starter kits for you. And if you already are in business, still go to cleanbiznetwork.com because we have the cleaning business automation program that's going to help you scale that company and get your clients coming in on autopilot as well as hiring good quality solid cleaners who actually want to be there. I got a trick for that and I'm going to show you all that in that cleaning business automation program. So anyway, talk to y'all later. I'm out here.